y'all doing? Hola, ¿cómo están? Espero que se encuentren bien. So I'm gonna be using the Nubian 2 by Juvia's. Voy a estar usando esta paleta. So I'm gonna start in by going in with the color Disable. Ever so slightly start tapping it. Le van a hacer así. Yes, I'm gonna look like Boo Boo the Fool. Me voy a mirar un poco loca ahorita. Pero al último me voy a mirar really good. Promise, I'm gonna look good at the end.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends.
Y si se manchan un poquito aquí abajo, it's okay. If y'all get it dirty a little bit, it's fine. This look is gonna be a lot about cleaning up. Este look va a ser mucho limpiándolo. Y ya me puse mi base para mis ojos. Era el Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I already put on my base. That's why I just jumped right into it. It was the Sharp Shape Tape Concealer. Voy a estar usando la brocha M433. That's the brush I'm gonna be using. And we're just blending it out because you don't want it to be that harsh. Like, girl, who gonna go out like this? Y nomás quieren empezar a desfuminarlo. No quieren que se mire su ala drástica, muy fea. Quieren mirar lo más natural posible. Y'all want it to look like very natural, like.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke.
Y con una brocha delgadita. Y'all are gonna go in with a little thin brush. Go in with y'all's concealer. This is the first step to cleaning up y'all's mess. Van a ir con su corrector. Este va a ser el primer paso de limpiar. So what we're gonna start doing is we're going to go through here, kind of like if we're gonna cut your crease. Va a ser como si estuviéramos cortando el ojo.
Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
Ahora van a ir y van a limpiar lo de arriba. Now y'all are gonna go and clean up from the top.
Deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation.
When y'all have cleaned the top, cuando hayan limpiado lo de arriba, y'all are gonna go ahead and back into the palette, and now we're gonna be using a different color. Van a ir para atrás esta paleta y van a usar otro diferente color. So we're gonna be using the Morocco color right here. Vamos a estar usando el color Morocco. Una brocha bien chiquitita. Y'all are gonna try to get like a really tiny sponge brush. And this is gonna be the Morphe M431 brush. Esta es la brocha M431 de Morphe.
Closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up.
Okay, cuando ya se miren como una payasa, when y'all look like a little clown, you see, you can hardly see the red. Casi no se puede ver el rojo. That's what y'all are trying. We're gonna use our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again. Vamos a estar usando el mismo corrector para limpiarnos lo de abajo. Ya habíamos hecho esto antes cuando limpiamos primero lado. We had already done this before, like the cleaning part when we had cleaned up the purple. So I think que lo que deben de hacer para este look es tenerle mucha paciencia. No se desesperen. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, y después de que ya hayan hecho eso, after you have done that, I'm just gonna be using like a regular angled brush. Voy a estar usando una brocha angulada. And these are the colors that I'm gonna be using. Voy a estar usando el color Yeah! And then voy a estar usando Nefertiti. I'm sorry, I'm sure I'm butchering it. Voy a estar usando Egypt and Cleopatra. So voy a empezar con el color Nefertiti.
Should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in.
And the reason why I look like I'm breaking my neck is because I'm trying to give you like a good angle. Y porque se mira que me estoy rompiendo el cuello es porque les quiero dar el perfecto ángulo para que me puedan ver.
Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and
Y ustedes nada más sigan echando, keep packing it on, you know.
open. We should be
We're gonna be glowing. Porque vamos a estar brillando. Ya. Voy con el color ya. I'm gonna be using that color. Y esto lo quieren, cuando lo vayan a aplicar, póngalo un poquitito arriba del color previamente usado. So y'all, when y'all put this on, y'all want to put it a little bit top of the previous color. We're gonna create that ombre effect. Que no es el color que se mire que está siendo difuminado adentro del otro color.
yes, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me.
Next, voy a estar usando el color Egypt. I'm going to be using the color Egypt. And again, cuando pongan este color, when y'all apply this color, put it on top of the previous color.
Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to
The color Cleopatra. We're going to go with the color Cleopatra.
shine. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be close.
Okay, cuando ya se hagan hecho esto, when y'all look like y'all got that thick ass wing, y'all are gonna get y'all's concealer, van a agarrar otra vez su corrector, and let me show y'all real quick.
Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM.
And y'all are gonna do the same to the other, van a hacer lo mismo para el
And when
otro.
you're famous, they can be kind of fun. It's really, but no one really discovers.
The door's open.
But when you're on stage, you're a star. You get the
Okay, me voy a aplicar las pestañas y ahorita regreso. I'm gonna go apply my lashes and I'll be right back because I look like a bald head. Okay, ahora yo estoy con las pestañas. I'm back with my eyelash. Now I'm gonna show y'all what I did to my inner corner. Les voy a enseñar lo que estaba haciendo para dentro de mi ojo. Regular glue de mis pestañas. Y'all are gonna want to use some glue right here in the inner duct. Glitter y'all want to use. Y van a agarrar el brillo que quieran usar. I'm gonna be using personally the Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner from Too Faced. This is a glitter que voy a estar usando. Y'all are just going to be applying this on top of everything. It's so pretty. Like, oh my god. I just love this glitter. Amo este brillo. Yes. I love glitter. Glitter is so good.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
Okay, y para este look voy a estar usando mi foundation de Milani. For this look, I'm going to be using my Milani foundation. Okay, voy a estar usando mi Real Techniques brocha. That's the brush that I'm going to be using for this.
Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us.
You mix that up, mix that up, mix that up. Mix that up, mix that up, mix that up. Mix that up, mix that up. I be creeping myself out sometimes, but I definitely don't care. So para esto voy a estar usando mi corrector Shape Tape Concealer. Shape Tape Concealer, bitch! This is what I'm gonna be using because I love it. I love it!
Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our
Voy a estar usando el color Slim de aquí. Yeah, voy a estar usando esto. And tap it. Ok, honestamente no me gustó cómo me dejó esto. Me dejó como se me embarró tierra. Honestly, I did not like how this contour thing came out though. Mi highlighters, voy a estar usando los highlighters de Huda Beauty. I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty highlighter. Oh, bitch, whoa. Okay, then just go off then. Okay, ahorita regreso con el finish. I'm gonna come back with the finished look. Voy a arreglar estas greñas. I'm gonna go fix this hair. Okay. Este fue el look. So this was like my first time stepping out of my comfort zone and doing like a wing liner for y'all. So please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. It would really mean so much. Por favor denle like y suscríbanse y compartan con sus amigos. Serían mucho para mí. Okay, thank you.